A helicopter was seen near the Spider-Man Brand New Day Basingstoke set. Destin, are you doing what I think you're doing? Spider-Man Brand New Day has now continued filming since Tom Holland recovered from his head injury. Looking at this photo, there is a bird logo on the helicopter. We're not sure who it is. Over here, it looks like they're filming a prison break. A picture of a helicopter just moved on the roof. Sony, you better give us a scene of Spider-Man saving the helicopter from the very first Spider-Man PS4 game. That game was peak and I've played it.
Need a plan. Plan real fast. I guess this is the plan! Come on, Pete, you got this! You got this, you got this, you got this! Please don't screw this up!